Taking the silver medal in second place, we have the glass sponges. Ever wondered why SpongeBob doesn't age throughout the episodes? Well, it turns out that sponges are made up of colonies of animals, similar to corals, and they can also live for thousands of years. However, one species takes the crown for the longest living sponge on Earth. It's called Monoraphis chuni, or simply the glass sponge. You'll often find it on the ocean floor. It gets its name from its skeleton, which looks like glass. A 2012 study published in the journal Chemical Geology estimated that one glass sponge specimen was around 11,000 years old. It really puts into perspective how small and short-lived we are, not just in size but in lifespan too.